What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Pam and this is my voice right here. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe down below if you haven't, and make sure you thumbs up this video. You know what I mean? So in this video, I'm sharing this wig that I got from Samsbeauty. It is called the Sensational Lace Front Wig and it is called the Edge Curls. So I just wanted to share with you guys how I slayed, how I wear it like on a daily basis. Wait, not on a daily basis, but the times that I wanted like to look very natural and, you know, looking all good. So this is the front and it has the lace over there. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out. I'm also showing you that you have the parting over there and, you know, all those goodies that wigs come with. And look at those curls. I love it. I was like, I think this is gonna be like my everyday look. So let's just get into customizing it. We're not gonna do much, but we're just gonna get straight into customizing it the way we can. So on days like today, I would like to use my got to be glue. So what I do first is just lay down like my front part of my head. And if you don't know, my hair is really short. I cut it all out. It's just growing back. So I just take some gel and then put it on my actual like the hairline and then push it back with a brush. And I'm just gonna show you what I'm talking about right now. So this is just gonna help you not to have like your edges like pulled out. You just taking care of your edges and just making sure that when you lay down the wig, it looks so nice and neat and just laid down. So now that we laid down our edges, I'm just gonna take another like little amount of the got to be glued, just apply it like slightly a little bit towards my forehead and my hairline, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit forward, not too close but just a little bit forward, so that I be able to have enough space to lay down the actual wig. And then after that, I'm gonna take this little dryer over here and then I'm just gonna like kind of like blow it out so that it not dry up but it turns into like a sticky paste, if that makes sense. So this is what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, my wig cap, it has like a foundation on top of it, like on the section where I'm gonna have the parting. And also I applied a little bit of foundation on my actual wig, like on where I have the parting. And don't mind the color of the wig cap, that is just what I had around. And I just wanted to talk about how wig caps just disappear and scrunchies just disappear, hairpins just disappear. Like the time that you're actually looking for it, it's not there. It's just crazy. Like, where do they go? Do you guys experience the same things? Please comment down below and let me know if you experience the same things. Anyways, back to business. We're just gonna lay down with a little bit of got to be spray, and I'm just actually applying that on the parting and just a little bit slightly on the corners so that the wig actually lays the way I want it to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my do you call it a durac? Is it a durac? Or you can use whatever you have, like it must be like a silk material so that it doesn't stick with the glue. So I fixed up my face, did a little makeup. Actually, right now my makeup routine is so funny. Like, I'm just using a couple of products. Like, I'm not going all the way out. I'm just like, you know what, I'm tired, I have kids, I don't want to be bothered, but I want to look nice. And if you guys want to see like my current makeup tutorial, like not every day but something that I would go for when I want to look nice, let me know in the description, wait, in the comment section below, and then I'll get to recording that for you guys. So the parting over there had like a lot of foundation because I had applied some more foundation on it, but I went ahead and took my old mascara and just fixed that up. You just have to fix that up the way you feel you can it's gonna look natural and the way you like it. So right now this is how it's looking, and you guys, this is like a must have wig, like affordable must have wig. I'll leave all the details in the description box, so make sure you're checking that out. So this is just finally it. I just wanted to share this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.